Snowdonia's secret lake. Let's have it. Bon appetit, ladies and gents. Noodles with a hot and spicy pepperami. We got company as well. So what was an absolutely brutal climb up down the sheer rock face, but we've come up knackered as usual, but we're making our way up onto Carned Llewellyn, second highest summit in Wales. Let's have it. So we've made it to the summit of Carned Llewellyn. Have a look at this. Isn't that just one stunning view? So you got Snowdon just here, the pointy tip one, where is it? Right there, that's a Lydia Fowler. Then you got Tryfan, and then you got Glydderfach and Glydderfawr. How's it going, lad? Really more? So that's it then, we leave Carned Llewellyn now. We say goodbye to those epic views. Anyway, we're going to make our way back down to Folgrach. Let's go. And that's the law. Always chuck a stone on the cairn when you're finished. Anyway, we'll see you at Folgrach. And here we go, Folgrach. So this is where we're going to be staying tonight. The mountain shelter's just down here, but we may pitch up just down here where we were last year, so we can have a nice, epic sunrise in the morning. And here he is, Ben Grills.
Hello, people.
And we're expecting Mr. Wild Astro shortly, so we should be able to have tabs and keep eyes on him as he comes up. In for a good night. You alright?
Yeah.
I'll leave you to it, mate, alright?
Oh, yeah. I'm alright then.
That's alright. It is 12:05 and it's time for dinner. And for dinner we have one of my favourites, macaroni cheese from Summit to Eat. So I'll show you just inside quickly. That's what it looks like. And it is bloody gorgeous. And you'll never guess who's arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Wild Astro. So that's it then, now we've got the tents up. Got Mr. Wild Astro in his Hilleberg Sulu black label. Snob. I've got me in the Akto again, and then Ben in the Lanshan too. And in the morning the sunrise is going to be literally just over here. What a view that's going to be. But we've just had word as well that the sunset's going to be coming just here, so there's no need for the summit tonight. It's going to be right there, we don't have to move. And here's all Anglesey. It's been a great couple of days so far. Let's hope tonight is even better, but checking the forecast just, the wind is going to pick up around 10 o'clock to around 28 mile an hour winds. but then it's going to be dropping quite considerably during the night. Who knows? Could be a sleepless night, but we've got to break camp early, and I mean very early, because I got to get back home, and that's our way back. Just down there. So it's about 3 miles. Doesn't sound a lot, but coming up, it bloody is. Look at the view just over here though. Isn't that perfect? So tonight's choice for tea is chicken fried rice. Okay, so it's time to tuck in now to the chicken fried rice. Oh, let's see what it's like, shall we? Oh yeah, proper slop. Nice. Got a bit of a chow mein flavour to it. Anyway, go away whilst I eat this. Now that's what I call a meal. Really nice that was. So if you're interested in any dehydrated food, certainly consider the chicken fried rice. That was an absolute beauty. I need to show you this. The Welsh coast. Absolutely beautiful. So the time's 20 to 9 and I'm absolutely shattered. I'll wait for the sun to go down and then I'm going to I've actually had an hour and I've had word that I've been snoring my head off. Happens, doesn't it? It happens. But anyway, I'm going to go to sleep after this and I'll leave you lovely lot to enjoy it with me. Good night. So the time is 5:15. That's beautiful. But as always, leave no shiz. The reason I'm whispering, Mr. Wild Astro's snoring. Anyway, we're heading down. See you down the bottom. You might not be able to make it out, but just over the lip here there's about 6 tents. Hope you had a good one. We're just making our way now along the plateau and then heading for the car park. It's been a great 2-night trip, 3 days. Really enjoyed it. That lake, Snowdonia Secret pool, that was beautiful. Lovely little place that is. But anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on another non-lockdown adventure with me, Dave Outdoors. Goodbye.